Hey guys, today Hunter and Amaya are gonna make funny noises. So, Maya, you can go first.
Okay.
Say louder, we can't hear you.
Okay. What's that?
Scream really loud and say it.
What the?
Okay, it's your turn.
Can I get it?
Okay, it's your turn. Your turn. Your turn.
Can I get a horn?
Your turn. Your
Daddy,
turn.
no, Daddy. Getting hurt.
Amaya, you're supposed to make a funny noise, not dancing.
Okay. Hammy. Can I get a horn? Yeah! Oh my God, that's so fun!
It's hatching. It's cracking. It's fine now.
Yay! Oh, hello there. My name's Bobby. I can do a fruffle. Ready? Yeah, look. I did it!
It's supposed to be a funny noise, not a funny thing.
Yeah, that's what I did.
That was not a funny noise. That was a funny thing.
What you say to me? What you say?
Your turn. Oh no!
The camera fell down.
Nothing. You go.
Wow.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.